Okay. So what is your name?
My name is Prafful Gautam.
Prafful, so where are you from?
I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh.
Viva Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So tell me about your family.
There are four members in my family, including me, my father, mother, and younger brother.
Okay.
My father and mother both are a teacher.
What have you done in your qualification?
I have completed my graduation in year 2022.
After your graduation, what have you done?
Yes, sir.
After your graduation, what have you done?
Yes, completed.
So why did you choose to get into the IT sector?
Because there are more opportunities there IT sector.
What is JSX?
JSX is a JavaScript XML syntax. It is a JavaScript function that provide a way to write a JavaScript and HTML together.
Are you a fresher or experienced?
Experience
Experienced. So how many years of experience you have?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. What is Axios?
Axios is a HTTP client-side library. It's allows to give an endpoint. The request a given endpoint.
What is the name of the company you're working for?
So still have an IT solution.
What is NPM?
NPM stand for Node Package Manager. It is a tool to manage sorry manage packages on their system, and it's world's largest software registry. Open source developer use NPM and share and publish their source codes.
What is NVM?
Node version manager is a tool to download, install, manage, and upgrade Node.js versions on their system and change active versions depending their current need.
So what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development course?
As a front end, I'm covered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.Js.
For the framework. Okay. So what are React hooks?
React hooks introduced in React 16.8. They let developers use hooks. They let developers use hooks like a state and other state features without write a class.
What are your hobbies?
I love to play cricket. As a developer, I read about the new technologies and daily implement.
What is node modeling?
Node model is a node model. It's provide a way to reusable codes on your Node application. It is a single JavaScript file and folder that contain a multiple files.
What is your strength?
I'm punctual to work, consistency. I have a good presence, solution oriented, and self motivated person.
What are your weaknesses?
I'm a workaholic, and my English wasn't good, but I'm working on it. up a new words in internet and implement our daily conversation.
What is callback function?
Callback function is a function that's first call a parent function and after that call a child function to complete a routine and action.
What is higher order function?
Higher order function is a function that's accept another function as an argument. It's called a higher order function.
What is the difference between props and state?
Props not for property and it says it's our mm, props props helping to create a reusable UI components and states are helping to create a components.
What are components?
Components are independent and indivisible bits of codes. Sorry, components are independent and reusable bits of codes. They serve the same function as a JavaScript function, but work in written and isolated HTML.
What is functional component?
Functional components is a simple JavaScript function in React. It allows to create a components and create our web applications reusable components.
What is use memo?
Use memo is a hook in React. It allows to use memo to implement our website more efficient and workable, create a reusable UI components.
What are the features of React?
Which is sorry, React is a single JavaScript file and folder that contain a multiple files. React is a component-based architecture file that contain a sorry component-based architecture file save the time and reduce the risk of error. It is a single JavaScript file. It is easy to use and easy to learn. Let's just maintain other frameworks.
What is the use of use effect hook?
Use effects is a hook in React. It allows to implement other side effects like a fetching data, call API, Axios, etc.
What is the use of use state hook?
Use state hook in React. It allows to create sorry. It allows to create our components more efficient and workable.
What is the difference between let and const?
Let and const. That is the block scope. Const is a function scope. Let's introduce in React. Sorry, let's introduce in JavaScript ES6 and const is the beginning of JavaScript.
Okay. What is hosting?
Yes, sir.
What is hosting?
What is
Hosting.
hosting? Hosting is a behavior in JavaScript. They let declare a top of variables.
What is promises?
Props. Promises. Promises perform a synchronous operations. Promises perform a promises perform a synchronous operation like sorry
What is
Okay.
Ajax?
Ages is the data interchanging formats. It's transform a data.
What is JSON?
Transform. Yes, sir.
What is JSON?
Jason. JSON is a data interchanging formats that contain a data key and value pairs and military data. Both are readable, humans and machines.
What is NAN property? JavaScript.
Not a number is a method. Check a whether value is a number or not a number.
What is anonymous function?
Anonymous person. Anonymous person is a person. Sorry, anonymous person. Anonymous person is a computer programming. Sorry, sorry. In a computer programming, anonymous person is a person that's perform an operation at a time. Perform a multiple operations at a time.
What is array splice?
That is splice. Splice is a method. It's written the selected elements as a array as a new array.
What is array slice?
Splice. Splice is a method to modify the original array and return the deleted elements.
What is event public?
What is event?
Public.
I don't know.
Okay. Why React is so popular?
One of the primary reasons React is a popular. It is easy to use, easy to less than maintenance other frameworks, and React is a component-based architecture file. Save the time and reduce the risk of error. It allows to create a reusable components and single-page application.
Okay. What are the features of JavaScript?
What are the features of JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language. It's provide a way to create a web application more efficient and add a complex feature. Okay.
Mr. Prafful, have you made any project?
Yes, sir. I
How
create
many
a
projects you have?
news web application clone like a Dainik Bhaskar and Lemon Top, and in one e-commerce website, Zomato clone.
Okay. So explain your recent project, please.
So my recent project is a travel website application. First, I create a header, a navbar, and other than create a slider, two images. Next, I create a sorry. First, I create a structure how to see our application in user.
Okay.
Create any other features and a booking page, destination first. Click destination first. to provide a country, state, country. ठीक है?
Hmm.
And other than what's your going date and what's your coming date, and their location, and submit a form. And I create a places.
Mhm.
There are cities, what's the details, and etc.
Okay. So, Praful, what is your salary expectation?
So I'm looking at its LPA.
Correct.